Thank you. First things first, filters. If you got this pack, then you can definitely pull this off. If you don't, when some filters come out, well then here's something to look forward to. Now for tonight's shot, you're going to need an ND16. ND16. All right, this pack of filters comes with 3 filters inside. Comes with a 16, which is just perfect for this shot. It comes with a 64, which is gonna be too dark, and a 256, which is definitely too dark. Now I know what you're wondering, why are we using filters in the night? I'll show you in a bit, but for right now, put that ND16 on your drone and go to somewhere that's really nice lit. We've got a bridge that's pretty well lit, and I've always wanted some long exposure photos, so let's go test this out. This is the Kosciuszko Bridge. Better to fly there in the day first, get a hang of it, get a feel of the area, and then go back at night. Once you know where you're flying, you're familiar with the area, then you can pretty much line up for your shot. So I'm gonna line up right here. I like this, it's got a little bit of traffic and stuff in it. Pretty nice. Now my settings, I'll switch to manual. And this part here is the most important thing, the shutter speed. You see, the faster the shutter, the more crisper and sharp the image, but I don't want that crisp, sharp image. I want a laggy, slow, blurry image, so I really have to slow down my shutter speed. But when you slow your shutter speed down, it brightens your image, and that's why I put the filter on, because I don't want the image to get too bright with a very slow shutter. So set your shutter all the way at the bottom there to 8. Your ISO, you're going to play with it. You should snap a few shots and see which one looks nice. So let's start with, we're in manual. We have our ND16 on. We're going to start with ISO 100 and snap a shot. It's going to take a while, as you can see right there, because, well, it's going to be 8 seconds, right? And there you go. The shot's done. Then we're going to go to ISO 200. And we're going to snap another shot. Wait another 8 seconds. And then hit the play button. And we will look at the 3 photos. This one is really crisp and clean and nice. The image is blurred out and stretched out. This one is, ooh, this one is beautiful. Love this one at ISO 200. You see, you just never know which one's going to look good, so it always pays to try different ISOs. It all depends on the brightness of the subject that you're shooting. Look for nice, well-lit, bright point of interest, like this bridge and the cars and stuff like that. I'm going to go for another shot over here. Let's get a little bit over here. Tilt it down, but not too far down that I cut the top of the bridge out, but I do want the cars in there. And we're going to start ISO 100 again, and let's snap and give it another 8 seconds and see what we can come up with. And then jump to ISO 200 and snap and give it another 8 seconds. Also, when you're flying at night, like where I am, the bridge is literally right in front of me. I can, you know, throw a brick and hit the bridge. You don't want to be far from your subject. You want to be close so you can keep an eye on your drone and see it right there. Try to look for good vantage points. All right, let's see how this one came out. The last 2, a little blurry. Oh my gosh, look at that ISO 200. Woo! Look at that ISO 200. It's beautiful. All right, let's go for one last shot and then we'll call it a night. Now, if you guys are thinking, well, can I do this with the DJI Mavic Mini? Yes, you can, except for the DJI Mavic Mini shutter does not open up all the way to 8 seconds. It only opens up, as far as I know, to 5 seconds. And that will limit the amount of streaks that you have. As I'm here, might as well try it on this bridge. Let's go to 100 first. It's always good to take more than one photo. Try different ISO ranges. Peep it, see which one works the best and use that one. So we'll try the 100 and then of course the 200, which seems to be the sweet spot. And remember, as you turn the drone around, you have areas that are well lit, some areas that are not as well lit, and that could vary which ISO looks better as well. But in general, I don't think you want to go too high. This looks not bad at 100. and 200 again seems to be the sweet spot. Here we go. Beautiful shots, beautiful shots, beautiful shots. Right, and don't you just love how this bridge is changing color? So I'm going to take one more shot. I'm kind of getting hooked on this, just taking shots and going back and look at it. But this time I want to be a little higher and see if it makes any difference, the height. All right, let's try this. Kind of like got a whole shot here. Let's go to 100. Snap that shot. Wait the 8 seconds. And then we're gonna go to 200. Bam! And this is why I always recommend the Fly More combo. And in this particular case, with this particular drone, this is the first time I've seen DJI sell any drones with filters. I will end up buying another pack of filters, but these are pretty good for a start and pretty good for, ooh, look at this one. Ooh, look at this one, look at this one, look at this one. So guys, just be creative, you know, think of some nice areas that really light up well at night, that's safe for you to fly. Check this link here if you don't know where's safe and where's not safe to fly. This video here, I show you all the restrictions of airspace. Learn your airspace, go there in the day, and just practice first, get to know if there are any obstacles or anything around that could hamper you at night or in low light, and then go back in the low light and give it a shot. Stay close to your drone, guys, always. Keep your drone within line of sight, especially in the night. Park or drive or bicycle or walk or hike to a nice vantage point where you know it's safe. With that being said, guys, I'm gonna land and go share my photos on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So if this video brought you any value, make sure you hit subscribe, hit thumbs up, and share this video with people who you know that have the DJI Mavic Air 2. With that being said, I'll catch you guys whenever I can. Still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.